Welcome to Maps of India. In this episode, we explore Uttar Pradesh, the heartland of India, where history, spirituality, and vibrant culture come together. From the hearts of Varanasi to the grandeur of the Taj Mahal. Uttar Pradesh, UP, is a state located in the northern part of India and is the most populous state in the country. Known as the heartland of India, UP has immense historical, cultural, and political significance. It is home to the Ganges River, one of the most sacred rivers in India, and several important religious and historical sites like Varanasi, Mathura, and the Taj Mahal in Agra. UP has played a vital role in India's ancient civilization, the freedom struggle, and continues to be influential in national politics. The state is a cultural melting pot, reflecting diverse traditions, languages, cuisines, and festivals. Agriculture, handicrafts, tourism, and manufacturing are major contributors to its economy. Uttar Pradesh shares its borders with 9 Indian states and union territories, making it one of the most strategically located regions in northern India. Uttar Pradesh shares international boundaries with Nepal and, to the north, it is bounded by Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, with a small border, while to the west, it shares boundaries with Haryana, Delhi, and Rajasthan. The southern frontier of Uttar Pradesh meets Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, and to the southeast and east, it borders Jharkhand and Bihar respectively. This extensive network of bordering states enhances UP cultural diversity, economic connectivity, and geopolitical significance within the Indian subcontinent. The formation of Uttar Pradesh is rooted in both colonial and post-independence history. During British rule, the region was first organized as the Northwestern Provinces in 1836 by combining various territories including Agra and later Awadh. In 1902, it was renamed the United Provinces of Agra and Awadh, and then simplified to United Provinces in 1937 under the Government of India Act. In 1935, after India gained independence in 1947, this region became a part of the Indian Union. On January 24, 1950, just before India became a republic, the United Provinces was officially renamed Uttar Pradesh, meaning Northern Province. This marked the formal creation of the modern state, which later saw a major restructuring in 2000 when the hilly region was separated to form the new state of Uttarakhand. Uttar Pradesh, with Lucknow as its capital, is the most populous and one of the most significant states in India. The largest city by area in the state is Kanpur, which also serves as a major industrial and commercial center, spanning a total area of approximately 243,286 square kilometers. Uttar Pradesh ranks as the 4th largest state in India by area, following Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra. As of projections for 2025, the state is expected to have a population of around 24.63 crores, maintaining its position as the most populous state in the country. As of 2025, Uttar Pradesh has 75 districts. 1 Agra, 2 Aligarh, 3 Prayagraj, 4 Ambedkar Nagar, 5 Auraiya, 6 Azamgarh, 7 Budaun, 8 Bagpat, 9 Bahraich, 10 Balia, 11 Balrampur, 12 Banda, 13 Barabanki, 14 Bareilly, 15 Basti, 16 Bijnor, 17 Bulandashar, 18 Chandauli, 19 Deoria, 20 Eta, 21 Sitawa, 22 Ayodhya, 23 Farrukhabad, 24 Fatehpur, 25 Firozabad, 26 Gautam Buddha Nagar, 27 Ghazipur, 28 Gonda, 29 Gorakhpur, 30 Hamirpur, 31 Hardoi, 32 Hathras, 33 Jalon, 34 Jaunpur, 35 Jhansi, 36 Amroha, 37 Kannauj, 38 Kanpur Nagar, 39 Kanpur Dehat, 40 Kaushambi, 41 Kushinagar, 42 Lakhimpur Kheri, 43 Lalitpur, 44 Lucknow, 45 Maharajganj, 46 Mahoba, 47 Mainpuri, 48 Mau, 49 Meerut, 50 Mirzapur, 51 Pili-Bhit, 52 Pratapgarh, 53 Rampur, 54 Saharanpur, 55 Sant Kabir Nagar, 56 Sant Ravidas Nagar, Bhadohi, 57 Shahjahanpur, 58 Shravasti, 59 Siddharthnagar, 60 Sitapur, 61 Sonbhadra, 62 Unnao, 63 Varanasi, 64 Kasganj, 65 Mathura, 66 Hapur, 67 Moradabad, 68 Muzaffarnagar, 69 Rai Bareli, 70 Sultanpur, 71 Ghaziabad, 72 Shamli, 73 Sambhal, 74 Amethi, 75 Chitrakoot. Uttar Pradesh is one of the oldest inhabited regions in the world, with evidence of human settlements dating back to the Stone Age. It was the heartland of several ancient civilizations and powerful kingdoms. During the Vedic period, much of UP was part of the Kuru and Panchala Mahajanaptas, and later the Kosal and Kashi kingdoms. The region played a central role in the rise of Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. It was in Sarnath, near Varanasi, that Gautam Buddha gave his first sermon after attaining enlightenment. Major cities like Ayodhya, Varanasi, Prayagraj, then Prayag, and Mathura were prominent cultural, religious, and learning centers. It was also a part of the Maurya and Gupta empires, contributing greatly to art, science, and philosophy during ancient India's golden age. During the medieval period, Uttar Pradesh witnessed the rise and fall of several dynasties. It came under the rule of the Delhi Sultanate in the 12th century, followed by the Mughal Empire in the 16th century. Under the Mughals, especially during Akbar's reign, cities like Agra and Fatehpur Sikri flourished as imperial capitals and cultural hubs. Agra became known for architectural marvels like the Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, and Itmad-ur-Daula's tomb. The region was a melting pot of Persian, Islamic, and Indian cultures. As the Mughal Empire declined in the 18th century, regional powers like the Nawabs of Awadh, Oudh, rose to prominence, making Lucknow an important center for Urdu literature, music, dance, and culinary arts. In the 19th century, Uttar Pradesh became a key territory under British rule, known then as the Northwestern Provinces, later reorganized as the United Provinces of Agra and Oudh. The region played a pivotal role in India's freedom struggle, especially during the 1857 revolt, often referred to as India's first war of independence, with major uprisings in Meerut, Kanpur, and Lucknow. After independence in 1947, the United Provinces was renamed Uttar Pradesh on January 24, 1950. In the decades since, UP has remained central to Indian politics, producing several prime ministers and national leaders. A major reorganization occurred in 2000, when the hilly northern districts were carved out to form the new state of Uttarakhand. Today, Uttar Pradesh continues to be a vital cultural, political, and economic contributor to the Indian Union. Uttar Pradesh is richly endowed with a vast and diverse network of rivers that play a vital role in shaping the state's geography, agriculture, culture, and economy. These rivers, many of which have deep religious and historical significance, originate from the Himalayas or the Vindhya ranges and traverse hundreds of kilometers across the plains of the state. Ganga River. The Ganga originates from the Gangotri Glacier in Uttarakhand and flows southeast through Uttar Pradesh before entering Bihar and eventually reaching the Bay of Bengal in West Bengal. In Uttar Pradesh, it travels approximately 1,145 kilometers, passing through key cities such as Bijnor, Kannauj, Kanpur, Prayagraj, and Varanasi. The total length of the Ganga is about 2,525 kilometers, and it flows through Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. Yamuna River. The Yamuna rises from the Yamunotri Glacier in Uttarakhand and joins the Ganga at Prayagraj. In Uttar Pradesh, it flows for around 1,000 kilometers, covering important cities like Agra, Mathura, and Etawah. The Yamuna has a total length of about 1,376 kilometers and passes through Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Delhi, and Uttar Pradesh. Ghagra River. The Ghagra River, originating from the Matsatung Glacier in Tibet, flows through Nepal, enters India in Uttarakhand, and traverses Uttar Pradesh for approximately 570 kilometers before joining the Ganga in Bihar. It flows through towns like Bahraich, Gonda, Faizabad, and Balia, passing through Tibet, Nepal, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar. Gomti River. The Gomti originates from Gomattal, Fulhar Lake, near Pilibhit in Uttar Pradesh and flows entirely within the state for about 960 kilometers. It passes through major cities such as Lucknow, Sultanpur, and Jaunpur before merging with the Ganga near Ghazipur. It is one of the few rivers confined to a single Indian state. Chambal River. The Chambal rises from the Vindhya range in Madhya Pradesh and briefly enters Uttar Pradesh near Etawah, where it merges with the Yamuna. Within UP, it flows for approximately 35 kilometers. The total length of the Chambal is about 1,024 kilometers, flowing through Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh. Betwa River. The Betwa River starts in Madhya Pradesh and enters Uttar Pradesh, where it flows for nearly 110 kilometers before meeting the Yamuna near Hamirpur. Its total length is around 590 kilometers, with the bulk of it in Madhya Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is a linguistically diverse state where Hindi serves as the official language and is spoken by the vast majority of the population. Alongside standard Hindi, several regional dialects and languages flourish across different parts of the state. Avdhi, spoken mainly in central UP including Lucknow and Faizabad. Bhojpuri, prevalent in the eastern districts near the Bihar border. Braj Bhasha, common in the Mathura-Agra region. And Bundeli, used in the southwestern Bundelkhand area, are some of the major regional dialects. Urdu is recognized as the second official language and is widely spoken, especially among the Muslim population in urban centers. This rich linguistic tapestry reflects the state's cultural and historical depth. The culture of Uttar Pradesh is a vibrant tapestry woven with centuries of history, tradition, and spiritual depth. As the birthplace of Hindu epics like the Ramayana and Mahabharata, and the land of revered cities such as Varanasi, Ayodhya, and Mathura, the state holds immense religious significance for Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, and Muslims alike. Its cultural richness is reflected in classical dance forms like Kathak, musical traditions such as Hindustani classical music, and renowned crafts including Chiknakari embroidery from Lucknow and brassware from Moradabad. The state is also known for its colorful festivals, traditional attire, folk literature, Mughal-era monuments. Together, these elements make Uttar Pradesh a cradle of India's composite cultural heritage. Uttar Pradesh boasts a vibrant and flavorful culinary heritage shaped by its royal past, agrarian lifestyle, and cultural diversity. Here are 10 iconic dishes that best represent the state's culinary excellence. 1. Galoti Kebab, a melt-in-the-mouth minced meat kebab from Lucknow. Originally made for toothless Nawabs, rich in spices and cooked in ghee, it's a symbol of Avdhi royal cuisine. 2. Tundai Kebab, another Lucknow specialty. Tundai kebab is made from finely minced buffalo meat blended with over 100 spices. It's traditionally served with rumali roti. 3. Korma, a creamy, aromatic meat curry made with yogurt, ghee, and a subtle blend of spices. Popular in Mughlai and Avdhi households, it is often reserved for festive meals. 4. Nihari, a slow-cooked meat stew traditionally eaten as a breakfast delicacy in Lucknow. It's simmered overnight and served with naan or kulcha. 5. Bati Chokha, a rustic dish popular in eastern UP. Made from baked wheat balls, bati, served with mashed, spiced vegetables, chokha, and generous amounts of ghee. 6. Aloo Tamatar ki sabzi with kachori, a classic breakfast in UP households. This combo features spicy potato-tomato curry with deep-fried stuffed bread, often eaten during festivals. 7. Tehri, a fragrant one-pot rice dish cooked with seasonal vegetables and spices. Similar to pulav, it's a common vegetarian staple across the state. 8. Bedmi puri with aloo sabzi, a spicy urad dal stuffed puri paired with tangy potato curry, commonly enjoyed as a hearty breakfast in Agra, Mathura, and other western UP cities. 9. Sheermal, a mildly sweet saffron-flavored flatbread of Persian origin, typically paired with kebabs or kormas. It's soft, rich, and a treat during special occasion. 10. Maliyo, Nimish, a winter dessert from Varanasi and Lucknow made from milk froth, flavored with saffron and cardamom, and garnished with dry fruits, light, airy, and decadent. Uttar Pradesh, one of India's most culturally vibrant and historically significant states, offers a rich tapestry of religious landmarks, Mughal architecture, ancient cities, and spiritual centers. Here are the top 10 tourist attractions in Uttar Pradesh. 1. Taj Mahal, Agra, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the 7 wonders of the world. The Taj Mahal is a symbol of eternal love built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Its white marble architecture is unmatched in beauty and elegance. 2. Varanasi, Kashi, one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited cities. Varanasi is a spiritual hub for Hindus. The Ghats of the Ganges, the Kashi Vishwanath Temple, and the mesmerizing Ganga Aarti draw pilgrims and tourists alike. 3. Fatehpur Sikri, built by Emperor Akbar. This UNESCO-listed ghost city near Agra features stunning red sandstone architecture, including Buland Darwaza, Jama Masjid, and the tomb of Salim Chishti. It was once the capital of the Mughal Empire. 4. Ayodhya, revered as the birthplace of Lord Rama. Ayodhya holds deep religious significance, with the upcoming Ram Mandir and existing temples and ghats. It's a major spiritual and cultural destination. 5. Mathura Vrindavan. The twin towns are closely associated with Lord Krishna's life and are dotted with temples, ghats, and vibrant festivals like Holi and Janmashtami, attracting devotees and tourists in large numbers. 6. Lucknow. The capital city is famous for its Nawabi culture. Architectural gems like Bara Imambada and Rumi Darwaza, beautiful gardens, and delicious Avdi cuisine. It offers a perfect blend of history and modernity. 7. Sarnath. Just 10 km from Varanasi, Sarnath is where Lord Buddha delivered his first sermon after enlightenment. It is home to ancient stupas, the Ashoka Pillar, and the Sarnath Museum, making it an important Buddhist pilgrimage site. 8. Jhansi, known for its association with Rani Lakshmi Bai, a heroine of the 1857 revolt. Jhansi is a historical city with attractions like the Jhansi Fort, Rani Mahal, and Government Museum. 9. Allahabad, Prayagraj, famous for the Triveni Sangam, the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna, and mythical Saraswati rivers. Prayagraj hosts the Kumbh Mela, one of the world's largest religious gatherings, and houses historic sites like Anand Bhavan. 10. Dudhwa National Park, located in the Terai region near the Nepal border. Dudhwa is a biodiversity hotspot. It is home to Bengal tigers, swamp deer, leopards, and a variety of birds, making it a paradise for nature and wildlife lovers. Thanks a lot for joining us on this journey through Uttar Pradesh. Subscribe to mapsofindia.com if you would like to know more about the amazing states of India. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family.